Now, it's just been 3 days since the Mangalore tragedy in which 158 people died in an Air India plane crash. Air India itself has been in doldrums for a long while. But neither of those factors restrained thousands of Air India employees today from going on a flash strike, all because of a gag order from the management. The result, many flights cancelled or delayed.
Yes, I'm here for a wedding and that's my wedding. So now I expect it to be delayed, I think, just because of this.
Flying Air India today? Not the best idea. Through the day, more and more flights were cancelled because 13,000 ground staff struck work after the management issued a show cause notice on some key union leaders around noon today. Striking employees claim the problem began after the Mangalore crash. The Air India management had issued a notice to its engineers for speaking to the media. Air India's alleged failure is that it didn't use its engineers to certify a flight while ferrying passengers to Mangalore after the tragedy.
हम लोगों ने मैनेजमेंट को ये बोला है कि जो नोटिफिकेशन जो नोटिस शोकास नोटिस आपने इशू किया है वो शोकास नोटिस को विड्रॉ करने का डिमांड किया है.
Airports across the country have been affected, with flights being cancelled almost on the hour. And sources told NDTV that some flights will continue to be affected tomorrow as well.
I have got urgent appointment. I have got all legal document must reach tomorrow morning. I cannot reach. I'll be losing huge business.
The Air India management is apologetic, but the talks with the unions have been unsuccessful so far. Air India insists that they won't cave to blackmail, saying that the show cause notice was issued because the employees violated internal policy. But whatever the reason, today was bad and tomorrow may be worse. Air India is putting contingency plans in place in the metros, but they admit that they may not be able to do the same in smaller towns. With Bureau Inputs, Kajori Sen for NDTV.
Well, we're now being joined by Siddharth Pandey, joining us from Delhi Airport. Mehak is there at the Mumbai Airport. Siddharth, talk about solidarity with your employer at times of trouble. I mean, just 3 days coming after the Mangalore disaster, the tragedy, the entire nation's been in mourning for the last 3 days. Surely the employees must be realizing that this is not the best of times to go on a flash strike.
Well, that's the question we actually put to them, and what they had to say is that they actually wanted to raise questions, talk about the lack of safety and those aspects with that particular accident, and they were prevented from doing that with that gag order, and that is why, of course, they've gone on a strike. But clearly there are other reasons as well, several reasons that they spelled out: the fact that they don't even get their pay properly, the fact that there is a shortage of cabin crew. But again, they re-emphasize that while all those factors exist, the one reason why they've actually asked for a flash strike right now is the fact that essentially that they were prevented from speaking out. We're actually joined by Mr. Hari Singh. He's very active with the employees union here. Sir, other airlines are working as usual. Passengers are going on them. But for Air India, is it going to be clear skies tomorrow?
It may be. It is up to management. Now football is going in management side. They have to, this is their duty. They have to call early our general secretary. Then we will finish this strike.
Now, what happens now? Of course, this is the domestic airport, and now there's just one more flight that's listed at 11 o'clock. We don't know if that's going to take off or not. But as far as the international airport is concerned, flights are going to be hit because now the night shift has come there. What's going to happen there?
There is night shift reported here, but nobody is going inside. We have already given our instruction. Nobody will go inside. So international flight will also suffer, same like this, day flights.
Thank you so much. Well, as you heard it there, the workers here, the union, very adamant.
Let me just ask him a question from my side. I just wanted to actually ask him the same question I threw to you. At this time, 3 days after the Mangalore tragedy, the nation's been in mourning. Is this really the right time for them to have gone on a flash strike? You know, the airline has been in trouble for a long time. Are they doing the right thing?
Absolutely. Question for you, the fact that this accident happened just a couple of days ago, the nation is mourning. Is this the best time for you to go on a strike?
Actually, management have to think. They have issued this Nadir Shah Farman. This is fatwa. Why they have chose this time to issue this circular? They have clearly mentioned in this circular, no Indian Airlines staff, no Air India staff, and no other office bearer will contact to media. Nobody have to give their statement to media. So what is this? We are working in Indian Airlines. This is not a Tanga stand. This is not NDMC or corporation. We are working in a reputed Indian Airlines, and country have already passed 65 years of independence.
Another question, passengers said that why couldn't give an advance notice, because so many of them came here ended up being caught completely unawares?
Actually, passenger have they do not know our detail. We have already given notice. Our General Secretary he have passed notice from last 2 months back, and management have very much that notice, and we are working on that. Tomorrow we have Dharna program and our demonstration program now, but they have issued this circular, so we have taken this action immediately.
And from your side, no flights are going to be allowed to take off tonight?
No.
Well, as you heard it there, no flights, according to them, will take off tonight, and practically no flights have taken off from Delhi. Perhaps just 3 flights have actually managed to get out, and that, of course, only because other airlines have chipped in with their staff, their ground handling staff, to help those passengers get on board. Vikram.
All right, Siddharth. Mehak, you were hearing that discussion and debate and what they said there. How are passengers in Mumbai taking it? Are they furious with the strikers? Do they understand the demands?
Vikram, this is for the first time that the passengers are actually not in favor of the striking employees. Like how we saw during the motorman strike in Mumbai, when the local trains had come to a full stop, the passengers, though they had to face a lot of trouble, they could not go home for hours and they had to spend nights at the platforms even. They stood strong with the motormen. They believed that the motormen needed to get what they wanted, and since they had given notices to the management and the management did not respond to the notices, they went on strike. So then the passengers were with the motormen, with the striking motormen, though they had to go to so much trouble. But here, when we spoke to air passengers, they were clearly in favor of the management, because they believed in this time of morning, this was not the right time for the employees to go on a strike. They should have stood strong with their employers. And the one point, like how Siddharth and the guest there said, they wanted the employees, the striking employees, to at least have served a notice to the management, so that management could have put in contingency measures well in advance, and the passengers wouldn't have had to face so much problems. Like here, when we came here, the management for hours, even after the employees going on strike, did not have any measures in place. For hours, the boards, the scheduled boards, had all the flights on schedule, when most of the flights were delayed and even some of them cancelled.
All right, Mehak, Siddharth, thank you both for joining us. So the Air India striking employees saying they're not going to allow any flights to take off tonight as well. So it's going to be a long day. It's already been a long day. It's going to be a long night, I guess, for many of those passengers who are flying Air India, at least while that strike continues. Strange timing, though, I have to say.
Tuba.com